How to upgrade to Spotify Premium iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can actually upgrade to Spotify Premium on iPhone, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you'd like to upgrade to Spotify Premium on iPhone, what you have to do is, first of all, if you open the Spotify app, you'll notice that we are logged into our free account, but then if I go to the Premium tab, I don't have the option to upgrade it. That is because iPhones does not support in-application browsing. So instead, what you need to do is just go ahead and launch a Safari browser, and then you simply want to go to spotify.com. I'll make sure to drop a link below as well. You can click on that link and then just go to spotify.com, sign into the free account on which you want to upgrade, then just tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and then you'll find the option called Premium, which you see right over here. Once you tap on the option called Premium, you'll find the option called Get Started. Just tap on that option again, and once you tap on Get Started, you'll be able to see the pricing of the current plan, which is the premium individual plan, which will cost you $2.99 USD a month. Then you have to fill in your payment methods such as your PayPal or credit or debit card. I'm assuming most of you are going to go with credit or debit card, so you can tap on that option. Then just make sure to enter your card number correctly, because even if there is a single mistake, you will not be able to fill out and verify your payment info. Then make sure to enter your expiration date of the card, which is usually at the back side. Then you also have your security code, so you want to go ahead and make sure to enter that, and then just tap on the Buy Now button, which is at the bottom of the screen. After you've done that, come back to the Spotify app, relaunch it, and then you should be able to see the premium version. And that's all it takes to upgrade to Spotify Premium on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.